Each year, the trustee and Railpen publish something called a stewardship report, which meets a high bar for stewardship set by the regulator. A stewardship report is just what it says on the tin. How do we act as good stewards of other people's money? And in particular, how do we incorporate topics like sustainability and corporate governance into the investment decisions we take on members' behalf? And what are the outcomes of doing that? You pay pension contributions, and we invest that money in companies all over the world to generate an investment return that pays for your pension when you retire. When we're thinking about which companies to invest in, we know that some are very well run and some are less well run. We know that some have sustainable business models and some face sustainability threats. The important thing is that sustainability issues can turn out to be financial risks over the long term. It's important for us to make sure we direct our investment choices into more sustainable and better run companies to improve member outcomes over the long term. There's also a vast array of investment opportunities presented by sustainability issues. We need to make sure we're not missing out on those either.
To ensure our work is focused on the matters that are most meaningful to members, we asked them to tell us what their main areas of concern are. In 2021 and 2022, these were fair treatment of workers, climate change, and fair pay. This has shifted slightly in the last year to fair treatment of workers, fair pay, and making sure boards can be held to account. Members have also told us that governance more broadly, or how well a company is managed, is really important to them.
The potential impact on or importance to members is key to the issues we focus on. So too is the materiality of the issue to our portfolio, alignment to our investment beliefs, our ability to make a difference, and Railpen's expertise. In 2023, we prioritised 4 ESG themes, which were worth of the workforce, sustainable financial markets, the climate transition, and responsible technology. We chose these 4 ESG themes because evidence shows they would have the biggest impact on all or most of our investments. Our priority themes guide us in deciding which collaborative initiatives we should participate in, or where it might be worth creating and then leading something, should we identify a gap in the market. These 4 themes are also big picture issues, and we need to think about big picture ways to influence the behaviour of the companies we invest in. We work to influence policymakers to change their regulations, as well as working with other investors whose aims are aligned with our own to try to amplify our voice and have a positive impact.